Hello everyone, this is Akshay from Amazon. I work as a software development engineer in the CloudWatch Internet Monitor team. And in this short video today, we are going to be looking at how can you integrate health events that are generated by Internet Monitor with EventBridge, which is a popular AWS service that provides pub sub notifications. So let's jump right in. As you can see, I am logged into my AWS console for my account and I'm in CloudWatch and I have selected Internet Monitor. Now let's assume you have already created a monitor beforehand. And as we can see here, this monitor is noticing some interesting blips in the health event score. And if we scroll down further, we are actually able to see that there appear to be some health events happening in Mexico. And these are the details of those health events. But as an operator or a service admin, I do not want to come into CloudWatch console and passively monitor what's happening. Rather, I want some actions to be automatically taken when such health events happen. So let's see how we can accomplish this using Amazon EventBridge. So to do that, it's very simple. Let's switch right over, and right now I'm in the Amazon EventBridge service on the AWS console. I choose the rules section, and now let's go ahead and create a brand new rule. And let's call this rule the swim rule for EventBridge integration, and let's give it a name that makes sense. Let's choose the default EventBridge, which happens to be the selection by default here. Let's hit next. And now, when it comes to choosing the event source, we need to tell EventBridge where are we going to retrieve these events from. In our case, it happens to be health event generated by Internet Monitor. So let's choose other. And now let's choose the event pattern, which is going to be matched against. Let's specify the source as AWS Internet Monitor. As we can see, the JSON got validated successfully. Let's continue and hit next. In the final screen of EventBridge integration, when we configure the rule, we have to specify what target are we going to be sending this particular event to when the notification is received. So let's pick an AWS service. In this case, let's choose a CloudWatch log group. And let's choose maybe this log group, which already exists. And now let's keep going. You also have the ability in EventBridge to configure tags. At the moment, let's skip that and keep moving forward. And let's review the summary. We have configured EventBridge with a new rule based on this event pattern that points to Internet Monitor related health events. And these events are going to be redirected to a CloudWatch log group. Let's go ahead and create the rule. And there we go, the rule has been created successfully. So now what do we do next? Well, because we have configured a target, we now are really interested in finding out what health event was received, and we can actually build additional customizations and integrations on top of the health event which gets redirected to your CloudWatch log group. So let's go to CloudWatch, and in this case, let's choose log groups. And now let's choose the log group which was created beforehand, which happened to be this one. And as we can see, there are a bunch of log streams that are already present. Let's click on this one. And there you go. This provides all the details of the health event which Internet Monitor sent to EventBridge, and EventBridge relayed that further to your CloudWatch log group. Now, our journey does not really stop here. If you want to build any CloudWatch Insights queries on this, or further extract these logs from CloudWatch and publish them to an S3 bucket for analytics, all those possibilities exist. Now, we saw one flavor of integration with EventBridge, which involved sending this to a target CloudWatch log group. What if I wanted to choose a different target? As we can see, it's chosen this target. Let's go ahead and edit that target. In this case, instead of choosing a log group, let's choose an SNS topic as a target. We already have a SNS topic that has been created. Now, one good reason to do this is whenever a health event happens, which means whenever there is a internet availability or performance issue, we want some custom workflow to be triggered. Maybe this SNS topic is hooked to a Lambda function, which will take some custom actions or notify the appropriate folks. So let's go ahead and configure that, do a final review and update the rule. And now, as we can see, this rule has been configured successfully and it is now targeted against the SNS topic that was chosen previously. This really tells us, to summarize, we saw how you have a monitor which has health events being generated, and now you build a data pipeline around that, integrate that with EventBridge and redirect those events to either a CloudWatch log group or an SNS topic. I hope you enjoyed this demo.